Hello everyone, myself Hazrat, faculty at ACE Engineering Academy. These are my few credentials. I secured 14th rank in GATE, 45th rank in ESE, and then I pursued my MTech at IIT Bombay in Machine Design Specialization, and then I worked at GE Aviation for 9 years, and I am having a pretty good teaching experience combined with my industrial experience helps me to teach the subject in a highly practical and simpler manner. In this video, we'll discuss detailed solutions of strength of materials questions given in GATE 2021 Production and Industrial Engineering paper, guys. Okay, now there are three questions came from strength of material, and I am proudly say that all these three questions can be answered easily with our classroom notes or with our deep learn videos, guys. Hope this is helpful for you. Okay, coming to the first question. A cantilever beam of length 0.3 meters is subjected to a UDL load. He has clearly given UDL load of 10 kilonewton per meter as shown in the figure. The flexural rigidity of the beam is directly given, guys. Flexural rigidity. Neglect the self weight of the beam, then magnitude. Observe carefully. Is asking what, guys? Magnitude of the beam curvature. Is indirectly is asking what is the magnitude of the curvature at the fixed end. These two are the key logics actually, guys. Now observe carefully. This is the cantilever beam subjected to UDL. Okay, is asking what is the magnitude of curvature. How can you get the curvature? Stand formula. You know flexure formula. What is the flexure formula, guys? E by R, M by I, that equal how much, guys? Sigma B by Y. From these two, observe carefully, guys. M by EI, that equal to how much, guys? That equal to 1 by R. R means radius of curvature. 1 by R means curvature. This is the curvature. So indirectly is asking what, guys? K equal to M by EI equal to how much? That's it. And he specifically asked what is the curvature at the fixed end? At the fixed end actually, guys. At this end, how can I find out, guys? M at fixed end by EI. Substitute, guys. M at the fixed end. This is W. This is the L. Tell me, guys, what is the moment, guys? M at fixed end equal to W into L by 2. WL square by 2. That's it. W L square by 2 into EI. Now substitute, guys. How much is W here, guys? 10 into, observe carefully, 10 into 10 cube, because kilonewton has given, multiplied by L square, length is given as 0.3 square by 2 times of EI. What is EI, guys? 5000 is given. EI is given as 5000. Substitute 5000. 5000, guys. You will get 0.9 per meter. So answer is, guys, 0.9 is the answer. Is asking 0.9 is the answer. You have to put. That's it. Next. Coming to the next question. Pretty straightforward question, guys. A circular rod of length L, okay, subjected to a compressive load P, okay. The flexural rigidity is clearly given that EI equal to how much? 2000. If both ends are pinned, then critical load will be how much? Is indirectly asking, guys, what is the critical load in this column actually? What is the stand formula, sir? P critical equal to how much? Pi square EI by LE square. That's it. Are you getting or not, sir? Now tell me, sir. Pi square EI. What is the value of EI, guys? 2000. Clearly mentioned. 2000 by LE. If both ends are pinned, LE equal to how much, guys? L. How much? 2 square. Are you getting an answer? Substitute, you will get 4935 newtons. Directly you will get the answer, guys. 4935 is the correct answer here. Okay, next question, guys. Two cylindrical parts of equal length. Okay, length is same, made of steel having Young's modulus is clearly given. Young's modulus equal to 200 gigapascals and Poisson's ratio equal to 0.33 are press fitted. Observe carefully, press fitted upon one another if the radial interference is 0.05 and having a inside radius is 25 mm as given R naught, then contact pressure P in megapascals in the interface upon press fit is. Indirectly is asking, guys, assume this is a one cylinder, this is another cylinder and these two are press fitted. Then how much is the interference pressure? This is a straightforward formula for the interference pressure, guys, in case of press fits. That is, you have to remember this formula, otherwise you can't able to solve. That is, contact pressure P equal to E delta R. Delta R means radial interference by 2R into 1 minus R square by R naught square. Everything is given, guys. Assume he has given inside is a solid cylinder, actually, guys, a solid cylinder. Now tell me, guys, substitute everything, guys. Now what is the radial interference? E equal to given as, how much is the value of E, guys? 200 gigapascals. He want P in terms of what? Megapascals. So definitely 200 into 10 cube. Radial interference, how much, guys? Delta R equal to how much he has given? 0.05. 0.05 by 2 into this R is given as 25, R naught is 40. 25, 1 minus 25 by 40 whole square. Take a bracket, guys. Then you will get the answer 121.9. Simplify this one, guys. You will get 121.9. This is the problem. I feel that you have to remember the standard formula. Otherwise, you can't able to solve. You can't even derive also, guys. These formulas you have to remember at any cost. Hope this is clear, guys, and hope you understand all the solutions. Thank you, guys. All the best.